Hey, welcome, Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. I'm here with Danny today. We're doing a cabin filter on this 2016 Chrysler Town and Country. The glove box door is open. Pick the glove box up, Danny. So there's the glove box, right? The traditional glove box. That comes down. You push in the little pivot pins. And then the cabin filter is way up there on the inside. Go ahead, Danny. Put your hand on the cover. Danny's going to pull the filter out. All right. And most cars are like this. They're similar. I mean, you should check service information, service procedure. Now, what we didn't like about this filter in the first place, which is what started this, let me fix the camera, is the last guys to put it in smushed it, right? And it was a poor quality, one of the cheapy filters. It just didn't fit right, and they just put it in. Now, the problem is that's going to bypass, and that's going to allow dirt to go around the filter. What's the point in having a good filter in there anyway? We're putting a Wix filter in, of course. Danny, take it out of the box. Now, turn it the other way, yeah, so we can see the pleats. See how Wix puts the pleats in the filter? All right, just like the original filter. It's a well-designed, well-made replacement. It's not some cheap piece of junk. It's got rigid side panels, so it's going to slide in. Go ahead, Danny, put it in now. He's paying attention which way airflow is. Of course, Wix marks it on the side of the filter, all right, and it's in. Now, sometimes when we do a cabin filter, we will clean in and around and making sure no debris gets in and down onto the blower wheel. So that's important. In this case, this is a fairly new vehicle, so it's nice and clean. He's got the filter in, going in the right direction. He's got the cover on it. It's locked in place. Go ahead, pop the glove box door back up, Dan. All right. There it is, pushing in. Simple as that, done. Just thought you'd like to see it. Of course, you know, it's a process. Every car's a little bit different. So make sure you follow service information. And of course, if you're doing it, use a Wix filter. Get out to wixfilters.com for more information. I'm Ron Ananian The Car Doctor here with Danny. We'll see you guys on the next time. Bye.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian The Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.